Okay, so all right. I've analyzed the market before or what I'm looking out for during this New York session. The New York session is going to open about 1 minute and 10 seconds. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it plays out. Whether it got rejected at the 31400 level or it continues the uptrend we're talking about. So let's see how it plays out. I'll just be trading it for the next 1 hour and I'm going to be showing you live without editing or anything on how I do it. All right, see you.